Ndị ba ekenekwa m unu biko nke onye chi nya zere asị m nke onye afọ tata ka eme gịnị ka afọkwu ya echi. So o nwere dibịa anya nzu anụmanụ n'akụkụ ebe a. Amarọ m ihe bụ problem ndị dibịa anya nzu ọsọ si ha ji afịa bụ gịnị ihe Evangelist Ebuka Obi ya ekwu ka ha si na ihe man of God ukwu. Mana it's so obvious and so bad na ị na-adresị ndị Igbo asị dibịa anya nzu iwere oyibo wee na-adresị ha ngwa biko ka anyị si bukere n'obele solo bitat before I forge on for today. So the thing wee na-agbagwoju m anya nya ha sị ka m bịa gwakwa unu achọ m kwunna n'ihe dibịa anya nzu a ngwa Evangelist Ebuka Obi because na onye ọbụla nọ na lane ya this time around. Onye ọbụla ma gịnị nọ na lane ya because imam bịa na-asị m na ị na-akanta ihe Evangelist Ebuka Obi why you did not pay attention to understand the message. Yatago so biko onye afọ tata ka eme gịnị ka afọkwu echi na-echa vidio ka baro subscribe ka baro mee gịnị gbekwa notification ka iso line na-enweta notification ya bụ na post na channel ya ngwanụ biko ebe ọbụla ị nọ wele nke a wee mee gịnị jide na arụ this weekend ka ọ dịnụ.
Ebuka Obi, I disagree with you this time. What you said is not considered a fatherly advice in any way. This is Africa. Here in Nigeria, to be precise, you don't give such advice for our young ladies. You know why? If you can interview some girls of these days, you will find out that frustration has led them into prostitution. Are you getting me? Now let's talk about those homely ones. Like you said before your pulpit, that every average lady is entitled of several men until when the proposition is made accurately. Is that not what you mean? I opposed it. It is not supposed to be so. You cannot keep a goat together with a yam. Keeping one man, most times it seems impossible to abstain totally from sexual intercourse before the marriage. How much more when you are keeping several of them? You that is teaching them that, Ebuka Obi, would you support them to be collecting from Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C, and D? At the end of everything, you think you can dispose them easily. Is it possible? Fix your sister in the shoe. You as an African lady, do you think it is wise keeping several men at once? If your answer is yes, then what again do you think you used to prove to that man that you are such a faithful person? Tell me, can you tolerate it that your guy has several girls also? Because when he's in search of a queen, he should also be permitted to have several of them so that he will pick the best. If you find out that he's dating several girls, would you like it? So what do you think about him finding out that you are keeping several guys? Okay, he will say, go on, after all, we need to prove ourselves. No. It is your sincerity, your transparency, what you are, and how you place him in the front that will make him take you as number one in his life. Okay? We are talking about a wife here. We are talking about a woman to stay with throughout his lifetime. It's not a gambling stuff. So, Ebuka, you should remove competition out of this. Marriage is more spiritual than physical. That is why I said, if you want to educate them, let it not exceed spirituality. Because in the aspect of physicality, there are things you are yet to know. Since you told us you know no woman. Okay? I am a spiritual man. I know how many times they have come to my chamber. Somebody is dating my guy. Please harm him or harm her. I said, harm who? Must you harm the person? Can't you simply walk away than thinking of harming your fellow girl because she's dating your guy? Do you see the problem in it? So instead of engaging yourself in such battle, you walk away, or you rather maintain one person. And keeping one person, it has to be transparently. It has to be in a fair way that your people will know him. And mind you, that long-time relationship does not pay. Some will tell you that my guy is abroad. I am waiting for him. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years later, you said they broke your heart. You broke your own heart. I believe that is what he wanted to express. Huh? But in a case like this, it needs proper digestion before out bringing it. Are you getting me? So what I'm trying to bring in here is that it is totally wrong to advise our African girls to double date. It can cause harm anywhere. It can as well make the young man not to take you serious. Because a young lady that develops multiple feelings for multiple men is a kind of gradually slipping into prostitution, even though you have not practiced it. What is cheating? Cheating does not really mean sleeping with this and sleeping with that. Whatever you share outside your partner is cheating. If you can open your mouth and tell another man, I love you, but within you, you know that you are keeping another person, you are cheating. If you open your heart to receive a gift from somebody, knowing too well that there is somebody that is counting on you, it is pure cheating. So I will not advise you to indulge yourself into such relationship, multiple relationship. It is not fatherly at all. You shouldn't do a thing like that. Just take few months. Prove yourself to that young man. If he's not meeting up with your expectation, walk away. And let me tell you, every man needs peace. When a young man discovers that what I am looking for is found in this girl, there are several girls everywhere, but wife materials are rare. If he finds out that what he wants is in you, I am telling you, you will be in charge. That is when people will say that you are using charm on this man without knowing that it is the value you place in yourself or the value he discovered in you that is making him follow you like a goat. So I will advise you, let the best teacher in you teach you how to handle such. And never you say because the first relationship fails, you are a failure. You are not a failure. Don't compromise. It's not something you will compromise over. But mind you, that double dating cannot pay you. Rather, it will bring you in a situation that you ask yourself, why am I confused? You made yourself confused because there's going to be distraction here and there. And you are going to be indebted. At the point, your conscience will make you feel guilty. And I've never seen anybody that did that and ended up well. So it's better for you not to try it. Since you know you cannot tolerate that man dating several girls outside you, why then do you think that that man will tolerate you dating several men outside him? And it's going to come to the level that the lady will begin to think of whichever way she can do things to retain those people because they are profitable to her. So, Ebuka Obi, you have to find a way to correct what you said. I am a spiritual man. I can't count how many times they have come to my chamber. Somebody is dating my guy. Okay, what do you want us to do? Let us remove her. Remove who? That is the same way you will be removed if you are double dating. Keeping one woman or one man has not even guaranteed your safety out of immorality. Some words are better expressed than spoken. There is no competition in destiny. It's more of commitment also. Your advice should be capitalized on bringing the man home. Any relationship that is backed up with parental guide never ends anyhow. Are you getting me? But telling a young lady to go ahead, keep Mr. A, B, and C is like placing them to start playing dice. Some are insatiable. So while collecting from them, she is trying to expand her urge of wants. And to whom much is given, much is expected, Ebuka. There's a certain level she will get to. She will begin to think of how to retain them so that they will not flee from her. In the process of trying to figure out a way to retain them, she has to offer something. Do you think you are dealing with fools? Men are not foolish. This is not a thing of competition. I don't advise any lady to go into that. Rather, I will tell you that long-term relationship does not pay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months is enough for a serious guy to express himself. It's not all about money. When the right man comes to you as a woman, the real woman in you will whisper to you that this is the right person. Every woman must have had in mind what she wants. And when that man comes across you, you will know, you will perceive it. How would you then prove your faithfulness if you cannot be able to retain one person, at least for a few months? Pattern of several men. Oh, there's no sense in that. No. I disagree with you. Ebuka, find a way and put them in order, lest you lead them astray.